this is a type of rake. That's a rake, and that's a rake. And this type of rake is a small one, and what it's designed to do is it's designed to move dirt and large objects out of the way that are not as broken up quite, as you say, as small pieces of dirt. So once we say we pull up a bunch of weeds with this, and they're on the ground, then you want to rake them out of the way. So you rake around the plants that you're trying to grow, that you want to grow properly. You rake and pull all the other stuff out of the way carefully. We call a carrot shovel, because doesn't it look like a carrot? With this carrot shovel, you take this for small plants that you want to move. Say there's a plant in the ground and we want to move it from this garden to that garden. So what we're going to do is make sure you're on the side of the plant, like this is the plant. You put it here, you push it down into the ground, and you very lightly do this. You put it back down in the ground in another spot, lightly do this. You don't want to dig up the dirt hard with this kind of shovel, because if the plant next to it gets pushed too much with this, it'll damage it. So what this does is it allows you to work around other plants, pull your plant in. You put it down in there and you ease your plant up. You can hold your plant like this. You can see our plant, isn't it pretty? This will tell you, some seeds will tell you, oh, you have to dig a hole 2 inches. If you look at this shovel, this is a small hand shovel, it has measurements on it. So when we start talking about measurement, which is what we have to do in centimeters and inches, which are on here, you would dig down in the dirt. If they say plant the seed 1 inch deep, you put this in the ground until it gets down to the 1 inch mark. Then you shovel that dirt up, pick that dirt up, drop your seed in, and put the dirt back, and you will have dug a hole exactly the right amount of depth or deepness in the ground such that the plant can grow properly. Capiche?
Capiche.